one.
Look at that. Good job. Deno, come back. Kuya and Ate's gone. What are we gonna do? Let's get ready. Let's get ready. We will get ready. Punta kaming Kmart at saka Kohl's na din. Bilhin natin yung mga kailangan ko for my Christmas decorations para sa ceiling. So we'll buy that sa Kmart. And then pick up kuya. Kasi nga so kahapon, yung nakuha ko is morning schedule lang for Arlo. Akala ko technical issues lang sa app because it happens sometimes na later na nag-show up yung lahat ng schedules. So yung ginawa ko, binook ko na lang yung morning, tapos sabi ko, i-book ko lang yung afternoon kapag nag-show up na. And it did not show up at all. Nag-message ako sa teacher. Kung alam ko sana na na-miss out ko na yung whole day, sana hindi ko na lang siya binook, tapos bukas na lang sana, mag-full day. Kasi half day is really short, guys. Parang ganito lang, isend mo siya sa school, maghugas ka ng pinggan, mag-ready ka, tapos pick up ka na. Parang it's so short, lalo na kapag mayroon kang ibang inaalagaan. Let's go get ready. So, yung gagawin namin is, punta muna kami ng shops before namin i-pick up si Arlo because it will be easier for me to have only one than two kids at the shops. Two kids at the shop. What? What do you want? Where's your Milky? Where is my Milky, my mommy? You want Milky or water? Naglagot ko nimo kay wapa kaayo ka. Cute pa dyan kaayo ka. Sawa naman lang inato. Alright, let's go upstairs and get ready upstairs. Can I help open? Yeah. Wow. Don't touch. Come on. Peekaboo. You enjoy, okay? Mommy's gonna change. India! India! You wanna see the guys? Bah! Peekaboo to the guys. Peekaboo. 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 Available to sa YesStyle, guys. And ang 15% off natin for Black Friday is still going. Ililive ko yung link natin sa screen at saka sa description box. 15% off. I-grab nyo na yung 15% off. Stock up on your skincare, on your scalp serum. Ang bilis nito maubos. Buti na lang marami yung in-order ko nito. I know! That's what I'm talking about, day! Wait, day. So again, I use this every morning. Tapos at night, I use my L'Oreal Growth Booster. Tapos once a week, ginagamit ko yung Redo Shot ko na pang scalp din. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. 700 pala yung akin. Yung nilive ko na link is 300, but 700 yung akin. Ito naman yung from VT Cosmetics na PDRN Redo Shot Hair Ampule. Now, this is quite strong. So, it is suggested to be used once a week only to replace my Growth Booster that night. So, Growth Booster is every night except for one night na ginagamit ko to. I've used this twice. No. Yeah, twice already. I think 2 weeks na ba ako yan? Or 3. I think 3 weeks na, guys. I will also leave this in the description box. Ito yung scalp massager na gamit ko. I ordered 2. Yung isa yung wooden. Tapos ito yung isa. I much prefer this than the wood one. Kasi nung tinry ko siyang gamitin, may natanggal na isa. Yung sa wood, hindi ko na siya ginamit. Kasi baka matanggal na naman yung iba, hindi ko mapansin. And madampot nitong ating D. So, mas okay to itong silicone. Ililib ko din yan sa baba. Hoy, Dino! Itong batang to, grabe na talaga. Ang dami na ang trabahong dinadagdag kay mami. Hay, naku guys, nagliligpit ako lagi, diba? Nagliligpit ng toys, nagliligpit ng, ay naku, wala talagang tigil. Ngayon, mas dinagdagan pa nitong Diko. Tingnan nyo to. And then, nandyan na, oy, no! No! Kinukuha niya yan. Tapos, obviously, liligpitin ko na naman yan. And ayoko siyang lagyan kasi guys nung lock. Kasi ito oh. See, it's very hard to take off. As in, naiinis ako. I'm pretty sure I will take it off. Hindi ko pa lang siya sineryoso. Ayan oh. Yeah. Hindi ko pa lang siya sineryoso. But I'm pretty sure I can take this off. Wala pa lang talaga akong time na upuan to at kutkutin tong mga to. Tapos dalawa pa yan. Tapos ang dami pa. Kapag, can you imagine, nilagay ko dyan, ang tsaka tingnan, tapos ang hirap patanggalin by the time na tatanggalin ko na. So ngayon, papahirapan ko lang yung sarili ko. At magligpit ng magligpit. What? Tapos may inad pang Christmas tree. Nag-Christmas tree pa talaga si Mami. How's the weather like? It's 11 degrees, but it is sunny. Ayun na naman. Na-open niya na naman yan. Kakalat na naman yan siya dyan. Ay, naka. But you know what? That's life. Pag lumaki na sila, hindi mo na maaalala yung pagod. Well, kung babalikan mo, sabihin mo talaga, my gosh, kakapagod yung stage na yun. But hindi mo maalala exactly yung sakit ng likod mo, yung pagod na grabe talaga, walang tigil. That should be enough. Let's bihis. May times na ina-open niya to lahat. Ito. Tapos ito pa kay daddy minsan. Hindi na to madaanan. Tapos ginaganon niya to lahat. I know! I'm talking about you, girl! What's mama gonna do? I'm talking about you! Sinisilip niya kayo, guys. Come here! To the front! They can't see you. Gumaganon siya. Ang cute niya. Aww. To the front. They can't see you. What's mommy gonna wear today? Silip-silip ka dyan. Di ka man makita. Tapos na ako magbihes. Gusto nang matulog nitong isa. Pagod ka, be? Ikaw pa talaga ang pagod? Ikaw pa talaga ang pagod sa pamilyang to? Sorry. Are you tired? You wanna sleep already? You want mommy to go shopping? I know. Anong oras pa? Aga pa kasi, guy. Ay, 9:04. Sige na. Kaya lang dapat, hindi na kasi ako uwi. Diretso na ako sa school ni Arlo. Haba natin ito, Nubi. Okay lang, sige. Tara. Guys, I am wearing a tracksuit set from Zara Teens. Yeah, teens. Kasi 12 to 13 ang size nitong top. 12 to 13 ba? 12 to 13. And then yung bottoms is 13 to 14. Mahaba yung bottoms sa akin, but look at that. Ganito siya kahaba, ganyan. Pero nagustuhan ko yung itsura niya kasi tinatago ko lang yung ganyan. And then, para na siyang straight cut. Tingnan. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ito yung in-order ko online. Na nagkabuang-buang yung size. Na nag-order pa ako ng ibang size. Tapos binalik ko yung iba, syempre. Malapit na talaga maubos to, be. Gusto ko tong maubos. Hindi ito yung favorite scent ko. Kaya lang nasasayangan ako. Malapit na talaga. Ito yung Rihanna na perfume. And malaki kasi siya. So gusto ko na siyang maubos para may space ako sa aking lalagyan ng mga perfume. Alright, let's go. Mommy's done. Mommy's done. That's it. Ready, Dee? Indy, ready? Play top hits on Spotify. got you, girl. Cute naman yan. Ang cute. Ang cute. May bow. That's ceramic. Oh, wow. It's cute. Nahanap ko yung Christmas lights. Dito na tayo. Yung hinahanap ko is yung the battery. Guys, medyo kanina pa ako dito. May mga kinuha na akong Christmas lights. Tapos, nakita ko to. Tingnan nyo. Battery operated. So, ganyan na siya. Merong dalawang kulay. Gold at saka red and green. So, at least isang sabitan na lang, diba? $18. Kumuha na ako ng tigda dalawang gold tsaka tigda dalawang red and green. Do I need more? Yung lang yung iniisip ko. Do I need more? Dito na tayo sa shoes. Pili tayo ng shoes ni Indy. Ang ganda sana nito o sneakers. Kaya lang blue lang meron. Walang pink. So, ipatry ko sa kanya itong open sandal. Ayan, tulog. Sana hindi magising. Or ito. Ano pong maganda? Hindi kasi natin alam kung comfortable. Ito cute din. Shoes. Look, guys, I'm trying shoes. Cute. This is perfect or not perfect? Let me take it off. Cutie. I know. Come on. You wanna try? It's cute. Oh, so perfect. Is that perfect? Tapos na kami dyan sa Kmart. Punta tayong Kohl's, guys. Bumalik lang ako sa car para ilagay yung mga nabili natin. Parang ang dilim ng Kohl's. Para kami nag-Halloween ulit. Pagpasok kayo, parang dilim. May siraba sa lights nila. Pero wala, may lights naman. Pero parang kulang. Hindi madilim sa camera. Pero madilim siya, guys. Lalakad-lakad na kami. May na-shopping na kami ni Di. Sana wala ako makalimutan, Di. Hindi ko mahanap yung napi mo, Di. Ito. Nappy pants, but size 3. We need size 3. Back in the car. Kain muna tayo, guys. Kasi meron akong nabili sa Kohl's na first time ko siya makita sa Kohl's. Asan na yun? Saan nilagay ni ate? Ayun. Ay, sana masarap. Look. Onigiri. First time ko ito makita dun. Nasa ano siya, sushi section, yung parang sa malapit sa counter nila. Spicy tuna yung pinili ko. Let's try this. So, it is 11:16 and out ni Arlo is 11:45. So, syempre, dapat nandun tayo ng before 11:45. We're good. I'm not doing this right. I'm really not doing this right. Uh-oh. Pull. Ito kasi sis. Pull the tab all the way to the other side. And then parang hindi kasi nagbasa before. Ayun. Wait, sabi. Ayun. Tadang! Let's eat this. Dapat may tubig. May tuna tayo nito. But it's good. What? Where's Dee? Dee! Dito na kami guys sa labas ng classroom ni Arlo. Ang aga namin. Tapos na kasi kami sa calls. Ang init ba? I'll turn it on, okay? Wait. Pinapanood namin yung vlog ni Tita Sisi. Easy. Kargahin lang kita ha. Tapos kunin natin si Kuya. Okay? Kargahin lang natin si Dee. I know. You have new shoes, Dee? Oh my gosh. Ay, nako guys. Ewan ko. So, yung pinunta ko doon, bili ako ng Christmas lights, bili ako ng mga isasabit ko sa Christmas lights. Like, meron na akong na-envision sa aking mind ko ano yung gagawin ko. And then, nakita ko yung light up bubble garland. Agay! Agay! Inisip ko, at least nandun na yung bubbles, nandun na yung lights. Feeling ko kulang yung binili ko. Kapag lights kasi, mura lang, tapos ang haba na, diba? Doon talaga tayo. Oh, wag kang pindot ng pindot dyan. Para ka namang daddy mo. Kung ano-ano pinipindot. So, which one's your best friend? Is it Harry?
Yeah.
Aw, that's nice.
And he has the toy Black Panther.
He's a really good boy, isn't he?
Yeah?
Yeah.
He has the toy Black Panther.
A Black Panther toy?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
And the teacher got him the toy over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, lucky Harry.
I told you, Mama.
Oh, look! Rubbish bin truck! Oh, you're lucky today you're seeing all this!
Wow.
Is that pretty cool?
Why does bin everywhere?
Oh, yeah. There's bins in every household.
And why they putting all the rubbish away?
Hmm?
Why they putting all the rubbish away?
Yes, they are putting all the rubbish away.
Where the rubbish go?
In the dump.
Where the rubbish leaves.
In the dump.
Where the rubbish eats.
They don't eat anything. Ang bait nun ni Harry. Every time pinipick up ko si Arlo, sumasama siya kay Arlo. Tapos
Mama,
sinasabi niya,
Pop
na
that
friends
one
daw silang dalawa.
in my stove later.
Sorry?
Park that one in my stove later.
Park this car
In stove later.
later. Do you wanna go to school Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll see. I'll talk to Daddy, okay? Alright guys, i-unbox na natin to. Sabihin ko sana, alright guys, i-unbox na natin to habang masaya. Dito. Oh, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want them. Hey guys, I'm Dee. Go play with Kois. Do you want a snack while playing with Kois? Yeah? I can give you some. It is so yummy. Alright, so aray! Bumili ako 4 nito. Tigda-2 ng gold at saka ng red at saka green nga. And then, I also bought these. So, ito yung ano na siya, light Christmas tinsel. Meron sila nitong green, meron ding ito. Pinili ko to guys, and I don't know, I'm thinking, I don't know guys, we'll see. I also got batteries, pero marami pa pala kaming batteries. Dami pa dun sa garage. And then I got these as well. Ito yung sabitan natin. I-put away ko lang yung grocery. Nag-grocery akong konti. And then, i-unbox natin itong mga. Guys, it is white.
I like it, Mama.
It's white. I was expecting na yellow yung lights niya. Gusto ko yellow. Ito, nilagyan ko na ng battery, yellow yung lights. Oh, wow. Amazing. So, feeling ko papalitan ko siya ng green na garland. Kasi yung green na garland, yellow yung lights. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Idikit ko muna itong mga hooks. And then, tingnan mo. Maikli lang to. But it's gonna look really good. Ooh, guys, look! Amazing! Isang linyahan lang to. Ito na yung itsura, guys. Nilagay ko yung white, but feeling ko talaga much better yung green with yellow lights. Or, wala na lang tinsel, no? But ang ganda ng bubbles. Yung itsura niya. Matutuwa si Ayla nito pag uwi. Siguro kunin ko na lang yung white. Kasi parang hindi bagay yung puting lights.
Lift up it. Well, I need to lift it up because this one's even heavier. See?
Okay, you're gonna help him.
Oh,
Lord! What is that? A skeleton?
Yes, skeleton. He looks happy.
He looks happy?
Yeah, look his mouth.
Good.
Do you want some of yours?
Looks good. Yan yung binili ni Dan na naka-sale. Ayan, masaya yung mga bata. Yeah. Good job, Ayla. Looks good, ate. You mix the colors?
Yeah.
She mixed yellow and red. Very well done, Ayla. Yeah. Oy, saan ka pupunta? After mo magkalat dito, tingnan nyo. Wala na talaga. Upaw na talaga yung Christmas tree natin. De! Grabe effort ko dito, de! Look at what you did to the Christmas tree. Look at this. Oy, where are you going? Careful. Time check, 4:37 na ng hapon. Woo! Sakit ng katawan ko, Walang tigil. Ito na naman si Day. We will have tacos for dinner. So, meron kami nitong Old El Paso taco kit. Soft taco kit. Meron na tong kasamang spice mix. Ito yung salsa. So, may kasamang salsa. Soft tacos. At saka yung spice mix. Lutuin ko na lang to. Mabilis lang naman to, guys. Kaya lang, baka hindi na tayo magka-chance mamaya kung maghintay pa tayo ng mamaya. Oh, so yung decoration ko sa ceiling, dadagdagan ko pa, guys, ng 3. Sa Friday na ako niyan makakaalis. After ng sports ni Arlo namin bibili.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud.
Guys, hindi na ako nag-film. Nakaisa na ako. Ganito itsura niya. Pero in-open mo pa siya para lagyan pa nung iba pang sahog. Yum. Lagyan mo lang corn. And then yung salsa na kasama sa kit.
Yeah, I can get it. No, you need a pizza.
Hindi na kami naglagay ng tomatoes kasi ito, tomato salsa kasi siya. Pero kung gusto nyo ng chunk tomatoes, pwede din lagyan. And then, sour cream. Ang sarap ng sour cream. Pauwi pa lang si Dan. Alam nyo bang, dumaan pa talaga ng Kmart para bilhin yung kulang ko na bubble garland. Sabi ko, sa Friday na, di ba? Sabi niya, daanan ko sa Kmart para matapos mo na yan. O, di ba? Yung mga bata tapos na, guys. Nagutom.